Welcome to Arxflix. Today, we're exploring one of the most recent advancements in aligning AI behavior with human values. The paper we'll discuss is titled, Training a Helpful and Harmless Assistant with Reinforcement Learning from Human Feedback. This work combines preference modeling and reinforcement learning from human feedback, or RLHF, to fine-tune language models, making them both helpful and harmless in interactions. Here's a plot summarizing the preferences of crowd workers for different models, including those fine-tuned with RLHF for helpfulness and harmlessness, HH. The higher the ELO score, the more the model aligns with human preference. Let's dive into the main elements of the research. The authors aim to improve language models to function as helpful and harmless assistants. Helpfulness involves assisting with text-based tasks like answering questions or writing documents, while harmlessness focuses on avoiding generating harmful content or aiding in harmful actions. Data collection is crucial in this process. The researchers sourced data through crowd workers who interacted with various models. They recorded crowd worker preferences for responses to define what's helpful and harmless. Here's the interface used by crowd workers for interaction. Crowd workers would pose questions and choose between two responses generated by models. Next, they used preference modeling to train the assistant to score higher on helpfulness and harmlessness. PM scores were derived from human preferences to guide the assistant's responses in alignment with these values. This figure shows how an RLHF policy scored on helpfulness and harmlessness prompts during training. The tension between these two qualities is evident, but with the right training, models can balance them effectively. The core method of RLHF involves training the assistant to optimize for human preferences. The policy gets rewards based on PM scores, guiding it towards desirable behaviors. This equation defines the reward function used in RL training, where RRARM-PM is the preference model score and DHARM-KL is the divergence from the initial policy, moderated by a term, lambda ARM-KL. They evaluated their models on various tasks, including zero-shot and few-shot NLP tasks. Interestingly, RLHF models performed better on all tasks compared to base models, showcasing the efficacy of alignment strategies. This figure summarizes RLHF model performance on several NLP tasks. Larger models particularly benefit from RLHF, illustrating that alignment at scale is possible without sacrificing performance. The research also explored iterated online training, where models are updated weekly based on new human feedback. This iterative approach fills out data distribution tails, ensuring models continually improve. Shown here are scores from iterated online models over different training iterations. This continual feedback process greatly enhanced the model's alignment and performance. Alongside quantitative evaluations, the researchers provided qualitative analyses comparing AI-generated responses to human-written content. Their best models were sometimes preferred over responses from professional writers. Here's a distribution of PM scores for samples written by the models and human writers. Models trained with iterated online RLHF often outperformed human writers in crowd worker preferences. The study concludes that aligning AI with human values through RLHF can make models more useful and deployable. However, the field is still in its early stages, and ongoing improvements are needed, especially in achieving robust and honest AI behavior. And there you have it, an overview of training a helpful and harmless assistant with reinforcement learning from human feedback. This study shines a light on how AI alignment techniques can be both practical and effective. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Arxflix for more in-depth research summaries. See you next time. Thanks a lot to Element for supporting Arxflix and providing this wonderful voice.